apparel, apparel. Shoppable. Value, the value. Here you go, enhances. Yeah, he uses avocados as an example, right? Because I think he talks about avocados just before that, or not. Let me see if he mentions avocados. Oh no, yeah, that's his first mention of avocados. Yes. Is it ripe or not? So he picks up this example of the avocados to talk about information, right? To guide the consumers to know the product, to have the necessary information before you make a decision, right? And so he goes on to talk about this mall, fashion show mall in Vegas, right? And how they showcase new items, right? So they set up a runway where the models walk, right? And the runway is a little different, right? What is different about the runway? Something unusual that you noticed. It's not a simple runway, right? Yeah. He says it comes up out of the ground, right? No, the runway, it comes up. It's motorized, it's motorized. It's lifted. It is elevated. Okay, so maybe here instead of sobe, se eleva. Yeah, se eleva. Maybe it's a better translation, se eleva. Yeah, because it's motorized. So it's all for the show, right, Tamis? This is all for the show, for impressing people. It works with their senses, right? With the visual aspect of the show. So, and the results. What are the results of this? How much how much sales increase do they get? So they are able to increase their sales by up to 30%. They get good results from this event, right? So this is about the shoppability of the store, right? Shoppability is an interesting term, right? Shoppability. Yeah, I didn't know that term. Consumerist. They have every word possible related to consuming, right? Yeah, right. So consumerist, I'm writing here consumerist, or you can say consumerism, consumerism or consumerist. Yes, right. Yeah, let's separate them. Yeah, I think it's better to separate them because they are slightly different. Okay, so Tamis, Ray, he points out that such shows, such ways of displaying, showcasing products, this improves the experience for the consumer, right?